Have you ever looked up at the sky and wondered why it's blue? It's a question that might seem simple, but the answer is a fascinating journey through science and nature. So let's dive in. The blue color of the sky is primarily due to a phenomenon called Rayleigh scattering. When sunlight enters our atmosphere, it's made up of different colors, each with its own wavelength. Blue light waves are shorter and scatter more than the longer wavelengths, like red or yellow. This scattering is what gives the sky its beautiful blue hue during the day. But why does the sky change color at sunset? As the sun dips below the horizon, its light has to pass through more of the Earth's atmosphere. This longer path scatters the shorter blue wavelengths even more, allowing the longer red and orange wavelengths to dominate. That's why we see those stunning reds and oranges painting the sky at dusk. Now let's talk about clouds. Ever noticed how they can turn gray? When clouds form, they consist of tiny water droplets or ice crystals. These particles are larger than the wavelengths of light, which means they scatter all colors of light equally. This scattering results in the gray appearance of clouds, especially when they're thick and heavy with moisture. But what about those days when the sky looks more gray than blue? That can happen due to pollution or particles in the air. Dust, smoke, and other pollutants can scatter light in different ways, often leading to a hazier sky. In urban areas, this can result in a less vibrant blue and more muted colors. Interestingly, the sky can also appear different colors in various parts of the world. For instance, during certain times of the year, like the dry season in some regions, the sky can take on a deeper blue due to less moisture and fewer particles in the air. Conversely, in areas with high humidity or pollution, the sky may look more washed out. And let's not forget about the role of the sun. When it's directly overhead, the sky appears a bright blue. However, during sunrise or sunset, the angle of the sun changes, and the light has to travel through more atmosphere, leading to those breathtaking colors we love to capture in photographs. So, the next time you gaze up at the sky, remember that its blue color is not just a simple fact. It's a complex interplay of light, particles, and atmospheric conditions. It's a reminder of the beauty and intricacy of our natural world. If you found this exploration of the sky's color as fascinating as I do, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more intriguing insights.